How to add receipt to Starbucks app. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can add receipt into Starbucks application. Now first things first, if you pull up and open up Starbucks application and log in into your account, there is no actual or immediate option for you to manually add receipt on this application here. So on the new update, they also removed the customer service chat support from the settings tab or even from your profile menu. So what you want to have to do is to use available web browser that you can use on your end. Now from here, just simply visit the help center for starbucks.com's official site, which is going to be like this one. So all I have to do from this search box is just simply type in any text that you would like to add. Our main goal here is to interact and communicate with their customer service via live chat or via the email address that we can copy and paste it for us to use them and send them requests. So just simply scroll all the way down and then under need to get in touch, you just need to choose between chat with us, give us a call, or send us a message. Then what you want to have to do is to provide an instruction or a request that you would like to add a receipt to your Starbucks application account. And then just simply wait from them to get back to you to have a resolution. And that is how you add receipt to Starbucks app.